Okay. Okay. Good night, everyone. We will learn or review the module practicum pneumatic, pneumatic control with limit switch and timer sensor. Now the next slide. Now, what the objective of the practicum? First, we will understand how to uh, princi- principle of double pneumatic acting for the cylinder electropneumatic. Uh, Second, or so, we study the function and role of limit switch, position, sensor, and actuator. Uh, for the actuator is a pneumatic cylinder. 3. Design and analysis the pneumatic cylinder on or off control circuit with integration of limit switch, sensor and timer. Therefore, we learn and implementation control circuit using the ladder diagram according to the control uh, to the basic of electropneumatic control. Okay, for the last, identif identification for the relationship between pneumatic sensor and logic control for simple industrial application. Now, we have one question. Uh, how does the limit switch work in detecting the cylinder position? Cylinder position. How? How the principle? Okay, next. For the slide, we will learn the project with CX1 or ladder PLC. The first, this is the input switch on or off, high or low. After that, we will wiring. If we use the PLC, uh, we can use the prop or jumper between 0.00 and 0.01. This is the switch on off. Okay, next, for the switch 0.00 and coil same for 0.00. Nah, for the time 5 seconds, the relay will the switch or on off off or on. Now for the circuit on the circuit one, this is the identification for the input. If timer for the 5 second, the timer is true or false. This the circuit same for the logic boolean, true on or off, true or false. Now, okay, now we can look the tools and the project. We can find the tools timer there. This timer number one. We can look in here and we will input the occasion or the symbol for the PLC. After that, we will give the timer 5 seconds or 50 milliseconds. Now we can click off. Okay. For number 3, this is a timer. If timer lasts, the switch will on or off. If we want off, if the 5 second lasts, the switch is off, but we will on, switch make it off, on. Okay. Maybe if have a question, nothing question, but we will make the circuit demonstration PLC and pneumatic. Let's go to the application. Thank you. Application, we will search TXP, enter. Okay, exit. Nah, the first one, we will make the new file. I will make the name circuit 1. Next, what the device type? Now we will use the CP1L and network type for between my device laptop to PLC. I will use USB, and then we can click OK. Okay. Now we will make the circuit for the diagram. The first, we can use the contact or this input, make the 0 0 0, enter and on. Okay. Next, we will use the closed contact. This send the relay. Click the 001, enter, off. Okay. Can use again, but this T000. Okay. Timer for 5 seconds. Sorry. 5 seconds. Enter. Okay, we will use the coil 000. Enter. This is the maybe system. Okay, now can use again contact for the information. If you finish the circuit for the 0 lane, you can use channel. Okay, if you make under, is the error. For the solution, you can make the under 0 0 1 0 0, enter. System, yes, system. Now we will use the 002 limit. Okay, after that we will use the coil. There 1000.07, enter, out. Okay, you can wiring. That's right. Okay, after that you can wiring for the tools, for these tools. PLC instrumentation, we can make it time. The first, write team space 000 for the 50 millisecond. Enter. Okay, now we can trying the run one online simulator. Okay, nah, this application is running. First, this is system false, but can true. Write the 1, enter. System on, limit 0, wait, 0 or 1. Okay, but second, this is the logic. If the 5 second last 5 second, uh, system will off. Yeah, but we will on system in supply input for the 5 second is the blocking. System off. Not the power. We can try again. True, we can on PLC for the PLC. Click on. For 5 seconds last, system we will off. Okay, maybe the simple simulation for the checks programmer PLC for the PLC. Maybe we can make the multi-system maybe for the 5 second pipe 1 on, pipe 2 off, but 5 second again pipe 2 on, but pipe 1 off. Yeah, maybe they like this, but for the simple circuit programmer, we will use if 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 you click on system on for the 5 second, if last second, system will off all system. If you try again, you can click system on, system running, but for the last time, system will off. Okay, maybe like this, or the simple circuit. If to finish, you can stop the run. Okay, stop the run, you can close, and will be save. Maybe you can save for the document, auto name. Maybe you can make the circuit one. Okay, save. Maybe I will save on locally. I give yes, like circuit one. Save. Okay. Okay. Like this for the simple circuit. For the topic tonight. The topic is the pneumatic cylinder control with limit switch and timer sensor. Maybe is the last. If you want to try, you can make for the checks one for the PLC, and last, thank you and see you next time. Okay.